Hey guys, my name is Dakshi Gupta and welcome back to my channel Code with Dakshi. So guys, first of all tell me that how I am looking in this dress. Okay. So guys, today's topic is web scraping. As you all know guys that web scraping is very important for every company, right? So if you are a beginner of web scraping, right? So you have to know that what are the trending projects of web scraping in 2K22. Let's talk about first project. First project name is customers review analysis. Right? So guys, web scraping is a future for now because the demand of web scraping is increasing day by day. Okay. So if I talk about the idea of this project, so you can scrap data for any specific product available on Amazon and analyze its customers reviews. So in this part you have to analyze that what are the review of customers, right? And you can do sentiment analysis and perform the necessary statistical analysis, okay, for this project. This is the idea. And what is the recommendation for this project? You have to use beautiful soup. As you all know guys that beautiful soup, selenium, request, these are the main things of web scraping. So you can do web scraping for this project using beautiful soup. Yeah, and it is a open source library of Python, as it will allow you to crawl the website and extract the review from the Amazon website using HTML tags. So you know guys that if you are a web scrapper or you want to switch your career to web scrapper, so you have to know about HTML tags. Next project is flight ticket price analysis. So guys, this is our second project which is on top in current time, current scenario. So in this project guys, the idea I want to give you that for this project you can pick a website like Kayak, Expedia, fill in your details using automated fashion and then crawl the website, right? So guys, in this project you have to work on price information. You have to extract the price information. Then recommended web scraping tool. So which tool you used if you want to do this project, that name is Selenium. Python Selenium is suitable for performing web scraping in this project. Additionally, you can use Python's SMT-lib also. This is a package to send an email containing the information that you extracted from the website. Okay, so after these two projects, third project is NBA Player Analytics. So, what is NBA? Many of you know that what is the full form of NBA. Let me tell you. NBA means National Basketball Association. Okay, so in North America, the basketball game enjoyed by the citizens, and most of them take great pleasure to watch the NBA, which is National Basketball Association. Okay, like India's have IPL, right? That then it NBA has basketball fans. Okay, so if I want to give you this idea of this project, so you can scrap the data from basketballreference.com. This is a website. Okay, you can use data from this, which has data for NBA games. It contains information about all basketball players like field goal percentage, field goal attempt, position in the court, minutes played. Okay. If I talk about which tool is good for this project, the name of the tool is the name of the tool not is, it's R, because there are two scrapping libraries which is included in this project. First one is Beautiful Soup and second one is Request. As I told you in the beginning of this video that Beautiful Soup, Request and Selenium, these three are very important, and these are very main things also. Okay, so these are the tools, beautiful soup and request, which is used in this project, and they allow easy to access the website and parsing of HTML tags. I hope guys this video will help you, okay, about web scraping. If you want a web scraping, all the things like if you want me to do web scraping on Ansite, Zomato, Amazon, etc., so I will give you guys. Okay, just tell me in comments that you want or not. Okay, so this is the end of my video, guys. I hope you all are good. So take care, guys. Let's meet in next video. Thank you so much.